To add YouTube TV to your Roku device, start by ensuring your Roku is connected to the internet and you have a YouTube TV subscription. Open the Roku home screen and navigate to the Roku Channel Store. In the Channel Store, click on Search Channels and type YouTube TV in the search bar. Select the YouTube TV option from the search results and click Add Channel. Wait for the channel to download and install on your Roku device. Once installed, go back to the Roku home screen and find the YouTube TV channel. Open the channel and select Sign In. You will be prompted to enter the code displayed on your TV screen into the YouTube TV website. On a computer or mobile device, go to the YouTube TV website and sign in with your Google account. Enter the code displayed on your TV screen and click Next. You will then be asked to allow YouTube TV to access your Roku device. After signing in, you will be able to access all the features of YouTube TV on your Roku device, including live TV, on-demand content, and cloud DVR. You can browse through the various channels and content offered by YouTube TV and start watching your favorite shows and movies. To ensure a seamless viewing experience, make sure your Roku device is running the latest software and your internet connection is stable. You can also customize your YouTube TV experience by setting up profiles and parental controls. By following these steps, you can easily add YouTube TV to your Roku device and enjoy a wide range of entertainment options. Remember to always keep your Roku device and YouTube TV app up to date to get the most out of your streaming experience.